9 degrees north of the equator, bridge of the world, heart of the universe, one of the most extraordinary achievements of humanity, the Panama Canal. 50 miles that changed the course of history. Talleres Industriales International, your ship and maintenance company in the Panama Canal area, was established in the Republic of Panama in 1969 with a select group of engineers and technicians after observing the need to provide quick, reliable, and first-class ship repair and maintenance services to all vessels transiting the Panama Canal. Our company gives priority to efficiency and good technical coordination, to perform jobs without affecting transit schedules and avoid off-hire expenses. Our personnel are trained to act fast and effectively with the highest standards of quality and safety. Talleres also can assist vessels outside the Republic of Panama in short notice at all major ports in Latin America. Our personnel perform all types of jobs in record time, 365 days a year, 24 hours a day. All our departments are frequently audited and are ISO quality approved under the International Standard 9001-2000. Talleres departments are also class approved by all major societies such as Lloyd's, Bureau Veritas, NKK, ABS, GL, DNV, RENA, and others. In the Balboa and Cristobal anchorages, we have supply boats, diving boats, and work boats, fully equipped to go alongside vessels at either anchorage to perform all type of afloat repairs and underwater repairs and services, avoiding off-hire and dry docking expenses. Talleres also has access to lay berths up to Panamax size to perform major repairs as well as pre-dry dock. Talleres has 2 workshops at both entrances of the Panama Canal, Cristobal and Balboa, divided in 4 departments: electrical, mechanical, machining, and welding. All our departments are equipped with the latest in technology for the ship repair industry and with new machines strategically located to give support to one another. Our workshops are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, including weekends and holidays. Talleres Industriales offers power packs and ISO marine containers for rental, equipped with all class regulations. Now we have in our yard power packs of 1500, 1000, 800, 600, and 350 kilowatts, ready for installation on board vessels at any port or anchorage at the Panama Canal area, as well as other ports in Latin America. We are the exclusive service station for Turboned and Westphalia oil separators in Panama and some countries of Latin America. Our technicians and service engineers can perform repairs to main engine and turbochargers of all kinds. Our workshop is totally equipped with different sizes and capacity of lathes, milling machines, hydraulic press, industrial drills, cutting machines, compressors, and other equipment necessary for the fabrication and repairs to any machine parts in record time. In our workshops, we perform reconditioning of main and auxiliary engine parts such as pistons, cylinder heads, valves, seats, shafts, pumps, and gears. We are the exclusive member in Panama of the International Ship Electrical and Engineering Service Association based in London, as well as the Electrical Apparatus Service Association in the United States. Associations with worldwide recognition and with efficient networking. Our service engineers and electricians have worked on several major fire damages on board vessels at Cristobal and Balboa, replacing kilometers of cables for main switchboards, generators, and main engines. Also, we have had to replace control panels, connection boxes, and alarm systems. We can perform repairs to all types of AC and DC motors, generators, alternators, as well as transformers of all sizes. Our personnel can remove from onboard vessels damaged motors up to 150 kilowatts and rewind the stator within 24 hours and deliver on board upon completion of transit without off-hire expenses. Our company is a member of the American Welding Society and has millionaire ship repair liability insurance to provide backup to our personnel, equipment, and material used on board vessels. Recently, Talleres Industriales completed one of the biggest underwater repairs ever at the anchorage at Callao, Peru, to a grounded post-Panamax Hong Kong-operated bulk carrier. Talleres installed and wet welded more than 80 tons of steel underwater on the forepeak and flat bottom of the almost sinking vessel at a depth of 22 meters and working against bad weather and bad temperatures. A 9 meter by 6 meter hole on the forepeak was sealed watertight, and a 45 meter rupture on the flat bottom, equivalent to a 12-story building, was sealed watertight using 10 reinforcement panels. Job was performed within 4 months. In 2004, at the Cristobal anchorage, two Panamax bulk carriers collided, causing major damage to one of the vessels, which resulted in flooding of cargo hold number 2 and double bottom tank as a result of a 12 meter by 12 meter rupture on the vertical shell plate of the vessel. Talleres performed this particular job by riveting with explosive underwater 24-ton reinforced doubler plate. Once underwater repairs were completed, cargo hold and DB tank were pumped dry, cargo removed, and a double hull was fabricated. The vessel was allowed to sail to Japan to discharge her cargo and to perform permanent repairs. Once in Japan, the shipyard had already prefabricated the damaged sections, which would replace the repairs done in Panama. On Christmas Eve, we were called by a desperate ship owner. He had a millionaire contract, but a condition of class to do permanent repairs in dry dock kept him from making the deal. No dry docks were available at the time, but he came to us to see if it was possible to do a repair afloat. Talleres manufactured a 20-ton cofferdam especially for the rudder. Once installed and reinforced, it was pumped dry, and welders, technicians, and surveyors entered to perform permanent repairs. Here you can see a Canadian reefer vessel that had a collision in Costa Rica while docking. Stem, shell plate, and internal just above the bulbous bow were completely damaged. A 7-ton steel block was prefabricated and perfectly fitted upon vessel's arrival at Cristobal. The job was carried out in record time at the highest standard. We are members of the American Driving Contractors in Panama. Our diving department is equipped with the latest in technology to perform all types of underwater repairs, surveys, cleaning to any vessel at Panama and Latin American countries. We have 2 Cox gun machines and a large stock of ammunition to perform big underwater repairs fast and reliably by riveting underwater. By prefabricating the doubler plates with holes and shooting the rivets through the vessel's hull, a reliable watertight doubler is obtained. Our commercial divers have been trained to perform underwater welding, cutting, drilling, and non-destructive tests whenever it's required. In our division, we have several wet welders certified by Lloyd's registered to perform underwater repairs, and we also have approved welding procedures to perform permanent repairs by using cofferdams. Talleres also owns ISO quality-approved underwater cleaning machines with special brushes to avoid damaging the paint while cleaning vessels in Panama or Latin America. Our time to clean a Panamax vessel is 12 hours and a reefer vessel 6. TISA Lifeboat and Services is a subsidiary company of Talleres Industriales and has a select group of certified engineers authorized to perform inspections and maintenance repairs to safety equipment such as lifeboats, davits, and winches, according to the new IMO regulation. We also perform repairs to these devices and perform the 5-year dynamic load test on her davits. We represent several manufacturers such as Hyundai in Korea, Nishi in Japan, and Norsafe in Norway. Talleres is fully equipped to perform major salvage repairs and operations in Latin America, such as wreck removal, lightering operations, oil and fuel disposal, towage, pollution control, and salvage operations. Our quality and leadership motivate us to set high expectations and goals. We will continue improving our technique, equipment, and personnel to face the new challenges posted by the shipping industry in a quick and professional manner, and to strive for an even better service for ship owners worldwide. The aim of Talleres Industriales for the next 5 years is to keep expanding our services in Latin America to help our customers and partners keep trading in those ports with efficiency and zero delays to become even more efficient.